another video for you. Currently waiting on some parts, obviously, for the other mowers, but today is our next guest, when regular boy of the Mild Wild crew, which is Parker, or Proxo. Right now we're waiting on Zach to get back from Tractor Supply with some bolts. We're gonna get the go-kart running and we'll have him mess around on the track. Right now, I'm gonna get some footage of him on the quad around the Mild Wild circuit. This is the GP ring. Yep, the Mild Wild GP track, which is in the lawnmower racing video. So we'll get him up here and then I'll introduce you to him and then we'll start off from there. It's the Proxo! What do you do, Proxo?
What do I do?
Yeah.
Dumb shit.
So we had him out on the quad. We'll show some more videos. I was thinking we'd probably get like a lap time.
I'm gonna win again.
I want a lap time of all the boys riding the quads.
Yeah.
So
we gotta do two different ones. We gotta do everyone on the red one and then everyone on the blue one.
yeah, so this is the blue one, which is the shit one. It's just a Yamaha Moto 4, and then our other one, Dan's other one is a has a Honda 250. This one is surprisingly pretty fast.
Faster than the other one, it feels like.
We don't know why either.
Lighter, for sure.
Yep, but I think we'll get Proxo back out on this thing again, and then we'll go check in with Zach because he's installing the torque converter on the go-kart. Proxo being retarded on the quad. Probably gonna do the times later once everyone gets here. Then you'll get like a full introductory with all the fastidious shit boxes. So, we'll probably do times for both quads and probably the go-kart too. But we're gonna do one final Proxo doing a donut in the donut pit, and then we'll cut back to Zach. Chill. Yeet. All right, so here's Zach with the go-kart, which has been a running project for a very long time.
Never-ending project. Never-ending.
It's tried to kill me.
Well, tried to kill every single person who's gotten on.
And now we're making it so it tries to kill us even more.
That's right. So before we just had a standard, clutch on there, and that it would just burn up all the time because
We weren't gentle.
no.
We beat the shit out of everything we own.
I paid a visit to good old Amazon, and I got us a torque converter for it.
So now what have you had to do to make this work so far?
So far I had to change the arrangement with the actual parts of the torque converter. The chain sprocket is actually not supposed to go on the inside, but it won't clear this part of the frame. I really don't feel like doing any kind of frame work, so I moved the sprocket out to here, And then the crankshaft threads are different from the bolt that came with the kit, so I had to make a quick run to Tractor Supply and get us the correct bolt. And now I got to make a bracket because we don't want to take the old one out or anything or do anything kind of crazy with that. So I'm going to take that steel right there and I'm going to make an adapter kind of a bracket.
Yep.
So then it'll fit on there how it's supposed to with this setup.
Which and then we just had to go get the other chain that we had.
Yep.
So we're gonna make a new chain, and then hopefully it runs and drives tonight so we can kill Parker.
Hopefully.
Well, the quad already.
The goal is to get it going tonight, so then Parker can always ride it.
Appearance.
You.
Parker, you ready to die?
Oh, I'm ready to die.
Alright, you got it on?
Oh wait,
It works. Oh, it does not work.
Yeet.
What's it doing?
come on, you cock.
Take 3. Yeah. Doing a yeet now. Yeah, he's thinking it just needed to wear itself in, so I guess we'll see how it does with everyone else riding on it. It really likes the seat cover. It's smoking. All right, Proxy, you want to try it? The braking is really nice. Do you see the top of the metal on there? Like the top of that case, it's blue. Alright. Dan's gonna give it a shot now. Freaking Proxo.
I was watching it. This thing is like tightening all the way up, and it's like sitting on top of them.
But yet this one's not doing.
But that one's not doing things right, and it's
Well, it's probably
there's
because
rubber
this
all
is,
over.
Yeah.
I don't think that's doing that much though.
Something wrong with the torque converter, and it's not really activating how it's supposed to. And it's just burning up the belt. So, Zach's gonna take another look at it and see if we can figure it out.
Modified.
The quality modification there. Let's see how it does.
Your expectations?
It's gonna fail horribly.
It's gonna be, I'm gonna guess, no change. What about that?
I'm gonna guess full engagement all the time.
I'm interested. Well, zip it in.
I mean, we'll see.
Maybe you're God. Maybe this was just a giant fuck up.
Hopefully the first time.
China has a job waiting for you in China.
China has a job waiting for me.
Looks like it's doing a little better. Yeah, he thinks it's mint.
Is it mint?
He thinks so.
As it's running, but much better.
All right. You got me convinced.
Much better.
Chain came off.
Top speed run with this after we fix the chain. Hopefully.
No, it's not a permanent fix.
Well, just enough to get a top speed run.
Ready? Go on, reset.
Go, Proxo. Yeah, let's see the time.
What? Oh, it must have hit pause when it went in your pocket.
H.
Means I gotta do it
Again.
again.
He gladly take. He scoop.
Okay, don't fucking hit pause this time. I'm not gonna hit anything.
It just hooks now.
Go.
All right. Hopefully this time it recorded.
37.
So,
What was the top speed before?
I don't know. On the big tires, it would hit 33.
Dang.
all right.
Guys, unfortunately after that I just set my phone down to charge, so I didn't get to record the footage of Parker taking it through the woods. Parker got about halfway before one of the pulleys just started to start sparking, and he managed to make it back, and just as he got back, Zach decided he was going to see what it would do, so he tried to move it. Moved about 6 feet, and the belt just like frayed and exploded. So we'll cut to the next clip here, and it's just like us explaining as to what happened. But my phone also died halfway through that. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We have a lot more content to come. We're almost recording daily right now. I have like 3 projects just sitting on my computer ready to go. So definitely subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.
The belt.
Yeah.
So what did we accomplish today?
Well, we killed the belt.
We discovered the dirt bike goes 88. The go-kart goes 38. And
A new record for the go-kart.
probably a new record of how long it lived, too.
A new record for me on 2 wheels.
Yeah.
Yep. And then not to buy the cheap Amazon.
Well,
Torque
no,
converter.
make sure that you know how to
put it on there put it on there with modifications first before.
Yeah, because as you've seen, it didn't fit when we bolted on correctly. Well, then we modified it, and it worked pretty
It
well.
worked very good. But the problem was is that one disc was already kind of sheared a little bit.
Yep.
And then Parker taking it through the woods finished it off.
Yeah.
Me trying to drift it in the dirt pit definitely finished it.
Oh, that heated it up a lot.
And then I was like, well, it's done. Might as well just kill it.
So then we get a.
He was like,
Yep.
done.
Yep. So we cut it.
Yeah. To get it off.
Yep. But
Yeah, it's pretty mangled.
It's got a flat spot.
yeah, this spot was very hot.
Is it still hot?
No. Sorry, Proxo.
Like that.